guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing my videos, my name is Elle Morgan and I create content to help better your lives in some way. So if you're interested in seeing what all that's about, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss out on a new video, because by the end of this video you'll see be your best friend in your head and you gotta keep up with your BFF. It's gonna be a whole thing. We're gonna be good girlfriends. You're gonna love it here, I promise. So make sure you do it. Today I have a style inspo video. I'm gonna show you guys some different ways that I like to style two-piece sets in general. So this one in particular I actually got from the thrift store for only $10. Okay, so I'm going to be making a couple of outfits out of this $10 two-piece set. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing more about that, then make sure you guys keep watching. Okay, so the first look, I am wearing the full two-piece set. I have the top tied in the front for like more of a cropped look. I'm going to be adding a pop of color with the green platform shoes. And then I have the bag that kind of coordinates. And I'm going to top it off with just pairing it with some neutral accessories. I really like these neutral earrings to go with this whole entire look. I really feel like the bag really brings it all together. For the second look, I'm actually taking the top and tying it around my waist to add some volume. And I am pairing that with a cropped spaghetti strap top that's printed. It has some of that blue color in the shirt, so I figured that that would kind of go together. I'm also pairing it with these neon pink and black snakeskin shoes. I love mixing prints, so I thought this would be a really good option as far as shoes. Add a little bit more interest to the overall look. And then I am topping it off with a black bag. I just wanted to do something solid, not too much because I'm already doing a lot with the top and the shoes. So I have the black bag to go with it and also just some silver accessories. So this next look is going to be a little bit more laid back. I'm going to wear the top open, as you guys see, and I'm pairing it with this off-white bodysuit that I have. And I'm going to be adding these slides that are really kind of a tropical print, really giving you true vacation vibes. So I'm pairing that. And then I also have these geometric hot pink earrings that I just thought really tied in with the shoes and really pulled the look together with the simple gold chain necklace. Last look, I wanted to give an illusion of like a jumpsuit. So I tucked the top into the pants and then I used this gold chain belt that I had to pull it all together to kind of cinch in my waist. A gold statement necklace along with some statement earrings and bracelet, and paired it with a hot pink bag to tie the colors and all of that together. And then for the shoes, I just did some neon orange slides. I thought that would work with my earrings that are pink and orange, just kind of pull everything together there. And so yeah, that's the complete look for that. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this style inspo video, and let me know if you're interested in more videos like these. It's my first time doing this kind of format, so just let me know. I would love to hear your feedback on that. And also I just wanted to add that I am filming everything off of my phone. I broke my camera recently and it's gonna take me a little minute to actually purchase another one. So please let me know what the quality is looking like. Is this something I can continue to do on my phone, or should I just hold off? Like, I really want to keep putting out content for you guys, and I don't want to let me not having an actual camera stop me. So I'm doing what I can do, and I'm doing it off my phone, honey. So let me know if you guys are feeling it or not. So yeah. But anyways, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Check all my social media links down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I am active over there. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.